I'm in the basement now. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for checking me out. If you've never been here before, my name is Nicole and I make / paint / just do Dungeons and Dragons related art stuff. And I'm always wearing this sweater. I swear I record these on different days. I just really like this sweater. I got it at EB Games, not sponsored. This week I'm gonna do something just like a little bit different. I'm actually gonna be painting one of the Wizards of the Coast minis, so I didn't make this, but I am gonna paint it. I would give you some hints, but you can obviously see from the title who we're painting. We are going to be painting Lord Strahd von Zarovich. It's not really working. This mini is from the Castle Ravenloft like board game. Obviously you can see we started painting it. They used to be just gray, but we put like a primer on it. I don't know why there's a brown wash on it without anything else. We put the wash on it like 2 years ago. I don't know why there's a wash on it. I especially want to paint him because I play D&D twice a week, but both of the nights we're doing different areas of the Curse of Strahd book. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I figured now's a good time as any to paint this guy since we're literally in Barovia and we're gonna need him. So that is the task for today, so I guess this could be like a painting tutorial. We'll just see how it goes. Oh, my toes are going numb from sitting here all weird. I'm gonna let Strahd sit for tonight and have another look at him tomorrow. I think he's pretty much done. I just have to do like highlights and the wash. I think he's turning out pretty good. I will see you tomorrow, but you will see me right now. Hey, it's a new day! So we are going to continue painting the Strahd mini. I think his base colors are mostly done. I really want to brush on some highlight, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do the wash first. No, I'll do a little bit of highlighting now, do the wash, and then if we need to get anything like really poppin', then I'll just like dry brush on like a very little bit of white just on the like actual highlighted parts. So fun fact, I don't always do this, but whatever. I'm using a piece of aluminum foil with my colors on it. Oh, blinding. So, I mean, usually you would just throw these out when you're done with it, but I don't like throwing them out until the mini's completely finished. Just in case I need to make that color again, I have like a reference. I can like mix it on top of it or next to it and try to actually match the color. Because man, it's really hard to match colors when you can't see them directly next to each other. I recommend trying that. That's why I use this, so that if it gets dried on and caked on, it doesn't ruin any of my palettes, but I can still use it as a reference, like as a... basically I use this as like a swatch, so I can know what color I used and try to match it again. That's why I have this. Maybe I should keep these. Make a little album. I'm gonna title this one Strahd. That's a hilarious idea. I'm gonna keep all of these from now on. That's so dumb, and I love it. He's almost done. I just have to let him dry and then go put the matte finish on it. So I'm so excited. Hello, famous green door that is always in my videos because this brick wall is easy to film against because no one can see me doing it. He is all finished, all dry. I put the matte clear coat I put the matte clear coat on him, so he's very he's all finished and everything. I also did a little something special. I put just a teeny little bit of clear glossy top coat nail polish just in his eyes and on the necklace that he has. Just, you know, for just that extra little sparkle. Anyway, are you ready to see him? Because I am ready to show you. Alright, without further ado, fully painted, finished Strahd von Zarovich. And there he is. I really like how he turned out. I haven't painted very many minis that I haven't made first, so it was fun to decide what was gonna be what color and what was gonna go where, and you know, what shade of skin do I make him because all the pictures are different. Yeah, I really like how he turned out. He's super cute, super spooky. Vampire lord man thing. If you want a good D&D campaign to play, The Curse of Strahd is super fun. And if you don't actually play D&D yet, but you kind of want to get into it, but it looks really complicated, because it can be kind of complicated to start if you don't know anyone who does it, I recommend picking up one of the board games like Castle Ravenloft or something of Avalon too. There's a bunch of them and they're really good because, you know, you get some minis with it. It sort of gets you used to the flow of things, and it's in a board game form, so you can play in an hour instead of over 3 years. So anyway, I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up. And you know, if you want to keep seeing me make things and paint minis and do whatever, or just hang out with me, then hit subscribe and you can hang out with me. Also, you don't have to at all, but if you are in the position that you want to throw a couple bucks my way, I do have a Patreon. The link will be in the description. You can get early access to my videos, you can get behind the scenes pictures, you get to see what I'm making before anyone else. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.